if you also use AI or Surf AI voice to generate a script. So, you must come here often and meet all the top AI creators. This is why it's really cool. With AI, the advantage is that this looks like a legit face swap video and is garnering followers. So it looks like someone's trying to become an AI influencer. And I know you all are too. This big company is using AI to make ads, and some other companies are making songs using AI too. Now things could get very interesting, so watch the demo to see. Shah Rukh Khan in the field. Alarm on the parachute. Hello, I am Amar Khan. We'll be thinking of ways to improve them. We have invited your brother on sale so you can grow and earn money easily with AI. If you watch the complete video, then surprises. This is called the art of speaking. The sun's rays bring hope to everyone. My dreams rule my life. Abhi Chandani has become this AI influencer, and I can guarantee you that you wouldn't even know that this influencer is a video. Next, comment below and you'll be part of the AI influencer video. Why are the followers so interested? Then you will tell them this AI tool. This is very feature rich, and with AI voice it seems to speak, which you can see is perfect for the video. Knowing how important videos have become, we now start making videos right from the moment we wake up. So for this, you have to come to Akool.com to know further. Then log in here, click on it and log in with your Gmail. This will make it easier for you to open the desktop site. So this is a website, so no problem. Then come here to join and click on the free trial button. Firstly, know about realistic avatar and click on get started. Now this is a much better template for you to easily handle and make videos. Otherwise, you can click here to download all images and clips. Like I change it one by one to convert it into digital. After that, you can upload your background music or any other audio to imagine what it will look like. I am excited to be part of this event. Click here for your new avatar. Do you add your photos or any custom image using the add feature? If the image doesn't load faster in the custom layout, it should pop up after 60 plus clicks, making it very realistic. I will show you how to easily convert a video with another tool, allowing you to select it. Now you have audio where you will hear the same voice before it becomes a synthetic voice. Here are your favorite speakers. If you stay tuned in, you can voice it. Here you'll also be able to add your own voice, making it sound like a pro speaker. I prefer short hours. Anything more gives me headaches and makes me feel puffy. These fools don't just choose voices but also add text in text-to-text scripts and then play it later. Hello guys, I am your favorite. Tell me how much you think AI has changed the world. And whenever you don't use it, you can easily hide a selected part of the screen by clicking anywhere. Now let's talk about adding your own voice. So click on the new voice and clone whoever's voice you want. Like this, I have given the voice of some people in the link in the description. Just add it, and from there you can generate your voice or choose to add an audio file. So here's another option for the audio script. Click it to delete the current audio and add your own. Now, it's another Sabze danger feature in which we'll expose fake claims. So even now, everyone is selecting voice carefully in text-to-text scripts. After that, by using elements, you'll be able to get more stickers and images. Along with that, you can also add titles to your text, which enhances the text further. Selecting with AI makes it easy to change fonts, text size, colors, and other background things. With this asset, you can make your own custom backgrounds or choose to apply back music and effects. You can upload and share your own images or videos. If a person says to me that the grass looks green from a distance, I will immediately take the challenge to change the color of the ground below us. Start adjusting the length of this timeline to the original length, and 10th passant by. And above all, if this is not a professional video editor, you will have to adjust your skills according to the software while editing with apps. Now you will think, we are going to make every wish come true through video. How amazing is this tool? To understand its power, we should definitely look at this avatar feature and click on the AI icon. In this, you can change the face of any character, add a cleared image to it. This allows you to upload the best looking face with just a click. So use this. Now, after all these years, we are finally premiering on the regional digital platform. We can easily export it in 1080p or 4K, but we'll generate it in 4K. By making it, I will tell you through the song generation feature. So, to know more about it, follow us on your favorite social media channel. Hey, that'll be a sad song for my love in Hindi. And simple, it plays it once again. Playing this has saved me a lot of time. You should definitely see this true magic of AI, which is the most celebrated family film since June 27th. Quality and passion of AI songs should be maintained. My love, it sounds, it's okay. The song is played again and again and again. The sun's light is strong. This is part of the habit. It's the king of my dreams. We are entering the golden age. We are standing with you. We took the oath. Till now, you might not have believed an AI-generated song could sound like an actual one. Lo-fi background music is trending on YouTube. Upload it easily, and let's see it after uploading. If you don't find any copyright issues with this, then you can directly upload it from the media backend. Now, our previous video is getting generated, so you will see that. Hello guys, it's your favorite SRK here. Do you think AI has made a significant change? And if you don't use this, then you might be left behind by others. So watch the videos of the Unseen Tech channel, okay? Because you keep watching videos like this one. So, done Chot Company. And stay tuned for more updates. Their social media presence is not given the desired knowledge. Now follow AI influencers and check out these pages. Face swaps of real people are becoming more common here. And promotions are heavily emphasizing that these are not AI-generated faces. It's also very easy to make. You just need any good editing software and a bit of patience. Downloading their video is like witnessing the early stages of evolution. How many of you have accurately guessed the niche? Now for the videos, you can create a unique AI image that will look like you with its face, and for that, you need to upload your image to the AI generator here. And simply follow the prompts. Image, generate, and give. If this image still doesn't load, then make some changes in the prompt. So these images have such a perfect effect. You see, in this way, it means many more images are generated, which is why it takes time to download them. Face swap with platform A. Now click on choose file and upload your video. After the video is uploaded, you can see it here. When the face is detected, it immediately digitizes it, which makes the real face almost indistinguishable in the video. Then get the face detected too, so that you can change it in just a moment. So here, click on plus and add AI image. Then select that face. Now click to see enhanced face swap with high quality. Now this is processing, which allows you to see yourself in the library taking every second less time. Or if you want to become an AI influencer within this time, what do you have to do? It uses advanced AI to perfect the face. It uses advanced technology that can change faces in videos after shooting. Then you can swap your face in this website and see the real result. And our face swap video is about to start. Stay tuned to watch it. New filter. There are more features on this website like translating videos. In this, you can translate any videos in different languages. There's also a talking photo option where you can create talking photos and even customize other images with it. And tell me, with phrasing for $21, you can start where you sign from the description link. If you use the discount code, you will get 40% off, and for demos, you get 100 free credits on new sign up. So, click on the link in the description and try out this high quality AI tool. And rendering to subscribe will happen only if the video editing is learned, so keep clicking on the video. Watch the video for yourself. Thanks for watching.